Cats have an array of curious behaviors that often leave their owners scratching their heads in wonder, and one of the most surprising is when they suddenly pounce on their owners out of nowhere. This seemingly unpredictable and sometimes startling action may leave you questioning whether your cat is simply being playful or if there's a deeper, instinctual reason behind it. The truth is that this behavior is rooted in a combination of affection, play, and hunting instincts, three very powerful drives for cats. Understanding why cats pounce on their owners unexpectedly requires an exploration of these instincts and how they manifest in domestic cats. First and foremost, it's important to recognize that cats are natural predators. Even though they may be well-fed and don't need to hunt for their food, domestic cats retain many of the instincts they inherited from their wild ancestors. One of the most fundamental aspects of a cat's nature is its hunting drive. Cats are solitary hunters, and their survival in the wild depends on their ability to stealthily approach and catch prey. This behavior is deeply ingrained in their biology and remains strong in domestic cats, even if they have never hunted in the wild. In the wild, a cat's primary mode of hunting involves stalking, pouncing, and capturing prey. These behaviors are carried over into their play habits, especially when they are young and learning how to hone their skills. For a domestic cat, pouncing is a way to practice and reinforce those hunting skills. When your cat pounces on you unexpectedly, it could be simply engaging in a game that mimics real-life hunting scenarios. The object of the pounce, whether it's your foot, a hand, or just your general presence, is perceived by your cat as something worth stalking and capturing. This form of play is a way for your cat to practice its predatory skills in a safe, controlled environment. Pouncing is also a form of play for cats. While it might seem aggressive or startling to us, it is, in fact, an essential part of how cats interact with their environment and with their human companions. Play in cats is not just about fun, it serves as an outlet for energy and a way to develop important physical and cognitive skills. Pouncing allows cats to engage their muscles, improve their agility, and refine their reflexes. When cats pounce on their owners, they're engaging in a form of interactive play that mimics the movements of prey, giving them a chance to practice their stalking and attacking techniques. In this context, the pouncing behavior is less about attacking and more about having fun while honing their predatory instincts. In addition to the hunting aspect, pouncing on their owners can also be a way for cats to express affection. Cats are known for their unique ways of showing love, and while purring and cuddling are the most obvious forms of affection, pouncing can also be interpreted as a sign of closeness. In the wild, cats often use their hunting and play behaviors as a way of bonding with their family members. Domestic cats often extend this behavior to their human family members, particularly if they see you as a playmate. When your cat pounces on you, it could be an indication that they want to engage with you in a fun and affectionate way. This type of behavior is similar to how cats interact with other cats in the wild, especially young kittens who learn social behaviors by engaging in play with their siblings. It's also worth noting that the way cats pounce is often a direct reflection of their mood and level of comfort. A cat that pounces on its owner in a playful manner is likely to be in a relaxed, happy state. If a cat pounces out of nowhere during moments of high energy or excitement, it could simply be an expression of their playful nature. On the other hand, if the pounce is sudden and accompanied by hissing, growling, or a defensive posture, it may indicate that the cat is feeling threatened or overstimulated. In such cases, it's important to pay attention to the cat's overall body language and context to better understand what is motivating the behavior. But in most cases, a sudden pounce is a sign that your cat is simply in the mood for fun or a bit of attention. Cats are also highly sensitive to their environment, and their unpredictable pouncing behavior can sometimes be linked to sensory stimuli that we may not even notice. Cats have a keen sense of hearing and can pick up on sounds that are inaudible to us. They can hear frequencies up to 85 kHz, which means they are able to detect tiny movements or sounds from far away. When you're walking across the room or making small movements, your cat might pick up on the vibrations or sounds and decide that these movements are worth investigating. Their instinct to pounce could be triggered by the movement of a hand, foot, or even the sound of something shifting on the floor. Cats are known for their acute attention to detail and may respond to these subtle cues by pouncing or attacking. Another factor to consider is the presence of excess energy or boredom. Like all animals, cats require stimulation, both mental and physical, to stay happy and healthy. If a cat is not getting enough playtime, exercise, or mental engagement, it may channel its pent-up energy into unpredictable pouncing. If you've noticed that your cat tends to pounce on you more when you're not actively engaging with them or when there has been a lack of playtime, this could be a sign that they're seeking stimulation. Providing your cat with plenty of toys, interactive play sessions, and opportunities to explore can help reduce this type of behavior, as it gives the cat an appropriate outlet for its energy. The act of pouncing also plays a role in a cat's social dynamics with its owners. Cats are known to engage in what's called social play, which includes behaviors like chasing, pouncing, and wrestling, often directed at their human companions. When a cat pounces on you, it may be trying to initiate social play, and it could also be a way of showing its dominance in a playful manner. Some cats enjoy the challenge of a good back-and-forth game with their owners, and pouncing can be a way of inviting you into this kind of interactive play. This can be particularly true if your cat has been raised in an environment where play was a frequent bonding activity, and it has learned to associate pouncing with positive interactions. For cats, pouncing is not just about hunting or playing, it's also about communication. Just as cats use vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to communicate with other animals, they can use pouncing as a form of communication with their owners. If your cat suddenly pounces on you, it could be their way of saying, "I'm here," or "I want your attention," or even "let's have fun." By pouncing on you, your cat may be attempting to engage with you in a way that shows affection, excitement, or simply a desire for social interaction. It's also important to recognize that some cats may pounce on their owners because they're in a heightened state of excitement. This could happen if they are overstimulated by something in their environment or if they are in a particularly energetic mood. A cat that is feeling frisky and playful may randomly pounce without any clear trigger, simply because they're in the mood for action. These bursts of energy are normal, especially for young cats or kittens who are still developing their play habits and social behaviors. As cats get older and more accustomed to their environment, these sudden pouncing episodes may become less frequent. In some cases, pouncing can also be a sign of frustration. Cats who are not able to reach or obtain something they desire, such as food, attention, or even access to a specific place in the house, might direct their frustration toward their owners. If you're sitting on the couch, for example, and your cat is unable to get your attention through other means, it might pounce on you as a way of drawing your focus toward them. This behavior is more common in cats who are particularly bonded to their owners or those who have developed a reliance on their human for emotional and social stimulation. When cats unexpectedly pounce on their owners, it's usually a sign of affection, playful behavior, or an instinctual action tied to their predatory nature. This behavior is often harmless and can be interpreted as your cat seeking interaction, affection, or simply engaging in the playful, instinctual behaviors that are deeply rooted in its biology. By understanding the motivation behind these pouncing episodes, you can better appreciate the complexities of your cat's behavior and provide it with the stimulation and attention it craves. Whether it's a hunting practice, an invitation to play, or a display of affection, your cat's pounce is just another way it's communicating with you in its own unique, feline way.